ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે લિમિટ એનો ટાઈપ 3 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 4, લાસ્ટ ટાઈપ ઓફ લિમિટ ઓફ ફાઇનાઇટ સિરીઝ. લેટ્સ સી ફર્સ્ટ રૂલ. ઇફ લિમિટ n tends to infinite 1 upon n is given is equal to 0. If limit x tends to infinite 1 upon x is given, then its limit is 0. Let's see first example. Limit n tends to infinite 4n plus 9 18n square minus 300. Limit n tends to infinite. Let's take common n. 4. Here n is not, so 9 divided by n square comma 18 minus 300 divided by n square. Here also take limit n tends to infinite. N is given, also take n comma. So here n is not, so 4 divided by n, 9 divided by n square divided by n square, 18 minus 300 upon n square. N square cancel. Limit n tends to infinite. Remaining 4 upon n, 9 upon n square divided by 18 minus 300 divided by n square. Take limit 4 upon n ની લિમિટ થશે 0, 9 upon n square ની લિમિટ થશે 0, 18 minus 300 ની લિમિટ થશે 0. So 0 upon 18 is equal to 0. This is your first answer. Second, 1 plus n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n plus 3, n plus 4. We know that limit n tends to infinite 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, that is sigma n, divided by n plus 3, n plus 4. Limit x n tends to infinite. Sem-1 mathematical induction, sigma n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. This is we prove in mathematical induction. So sigma n is equal to n plus 1 divided by n plus 3, n plus 4. Limit n tends to infinite. N, take n common, 1 plus 1 upon n. Take n common, 1 plus 3 upon n. Take n common, 1 plus 4 upon n. N cancel. So limit n tends to infinite. Remaining 1 plus 1 upon n, 1 plus 3 upon n, 1 plus 4 upon n. Take limit 1 plus 1 upon n ની લિમિટ થશે 0, 1 plus 3 upon n ની લિમિટ થશે, this is in multiplication, 0, 1 plus 4 upon n ની લિમિટ થશે 0. So 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. Limit x tends to infinite, x cube plus 1, x square plus 2, x plus 3. Limit x tends to infinite. Take x cube common, 1 plus 1 upon x cube. Denominator, take x square common, 1 plus 2 upon x square. take x common, 1 plus 3 upon x. X cube, x square cancel. Limit x tends to infinite. 1 plus 1 upon x cube divided by 1 plus 2 upon x square, 1 plus 3 upon x. Take limit 1 plus x square limit 0. 1 plus 2 upon x square limit 0. 1 plus 3 upon x square limit 0. So 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1 by 1 is equal to 1. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. Limit x 3x square plus 5x plus 7 through 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Here factor is not possible. So, and here infinite is given. So limit x tends to infinite. Take x square common. 3 plus 5 upon x plus 7 upon x square divided by. Take also x square common. 2 plus 3 upon x plus 2 upon x square. X square cancel. Remaining limit x tends to infinite. 3 upon 5 plus x plus 7 upon x square. Two plus 3 upon x plus 2 upon x square. Take limit 3 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 plus 0 plus 0, 3 by 2. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. Limit x tends to infinite. 1 upon 1 minus x, 2 plus x, 3 plus x, 1 upon x cube. Limit x tends to infinite. Take x common. 1 upon x minus 1. Take x common. 2 upon x plus 1. Take x common. 3 upon x plus 1 divided by. Take x cube common. 1 upon x cube plus 1. X multiplied by x, that is x cube. So cancel it. Limit x tends to infinite. 1 upon x minus 1, 2 upon x plus 1, 3 upon x plus 1 divided by 1 upon x cube plus 1. Take limit 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, multiplied by 1 upon 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is your answer. Next, sixth, limit n tends to infinite. Under root n square plus n minus 6, 3n square minus 6 upon 2n plus 3. Limit n tends to infinite. Take under root n square common. So under root 1 plus 1 upon n minus 6 upon n square minus under root 3 minus 6 upon under root n square. 6 upon n square, so divided by. Take n common. 2 plus 3 upon n. Limit n tends to infinite. 3 under root n no square, that is n. Under root 1 plus 1 upon n minus 6 upon n square minus under root 3 minus 6 upon n square divided by n 2 plus 3 upon n. So n cancel. Remaining limit n tends to infinite under root 1 plus 1 upon n minus 6 upon n square minus under root 3 minus 6 upon n square divided by 2 plus 3 upon n. Take limit 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 minus 0 under root minus 3 minus 0 divided by 2 plus 0. So 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. This is your answer. Here our unit 3 is completed. In next session we will start our last unit, that is mathematics for finance. Thank you.